Safe Bump is a versatile bumper that is especially designed for forklifts. These bumpers can be used in many applications. Installed on the forks, they protect both pallets and product. In this demonstration, this truck drives into a pallet container with the bumpers. Repeated hits do no damage. Now without the bumper, one hit causes permanent damage. On the counterweight, hitting a steel post can do damage to both beam and truck. With Safe Bump, the energy is absorbed, significantly reducing the damage. On lift truck bodies, they are easy to install with both magnets and 3M very high bond 2A tape. Installation on forks requires magnets and attaching the adjustable side shift brackets. Safe Bump, one hit and they pay for themselves.